Tamannaah Bhatia has always been one of those actresses whose fashion game has set the hearts of her fans on fire. Be it a red carpet or a casual outing, she has always managed to slay and set the internet on fire. Welcome to Style Talks with Styleavera. From the past couple of days, she has been serving some sizzling fashion looks in her public appearance. Today, we are listing down 5 of her best looks that will surely blow your mind. Black bodycon cutout dress. Tamannaah Bhatia cast her magic spell in a striking black bodycon gown that accentuates her curves. It has a classic cut with a modern twist. The dress has a broad shoulder strap and a square neckline. The fancy cutout at the waist, hip and thigh in a zigzag pattern adds an amp to the dress. The dress costs a whopping ₹1,75,664. Polka dot bodycon halter-neck gown. This dress adds oomph to a style and the polka dots give it a retro look. The irregular black polka dots give a playful retro vibe, but the modern cut balances it with a high fashion appeal. She has left her hair open with natural looking waves, adding movement and softness to the look. Those defined brows, soft pink lips and a touch of shimmer on the eyelids make her look sexy. Mini dress with a floral design. Tamannaah gives a pure girl next door vibe in this short fit and flare mini dress with a one-shoulder floral pattern spaghetti strap. The 3D flower pattern cascading from the chest down to the hem on one side gives the dress quite a unique look. Corset top and A-line skirt. Tamannaah takes her fashion game a notch higher with this power dressing in a dark structured denim ensemble that blends elements of futuristic fashion, corsetry and minimalism. The sculpted corset style top with a dramatic armor-like sleeves, a sweetheart bustier neckline with a cutout keyhole detail at the collarbone adds a sensual and edgy touch. Halter-neck maxi dress. It's not always that you want to dress up in a heavy, stylized outfit. Sometimes an easy breezy maxi dress can do wonders, and Tamannaah's halter-neck maxi dress with a plunging neckline and flowing pattern is just that. The rich emerald green hue makes a bold yet graceful statement, flattering her skin tone and evoking a tropical breezy vibe. Tamannaah Bhatia is not just serving looks. She is serving lessons in style, confidence and fearless fashion. Which of these stunning outfits is your favorite? Stay tuned for more style talk only on Styleavera.